Please select a language. Important tips for learning Hindi. Welcome to Learn Hindi. Please select your level. Tap here to open the menu and explore all. Tap here to learn the next word. Tap here after learning the word. Tap here to view the previous word. Learn every day and maintain your streak. Take a test after learning all words. Hindi Dictionary. Awesome. Start learning now. Please complete today's words. Congratulations. You've learned Siba. Congratulations. You've learned Jenda. Congratulations. You've learned Billy. Congratulations. You've learned Kutta. Congratulations. You've learned Anda. Great job. You've learned all today's words. Now take the test. What is the meaning of Siba? A. Bond. Correct. Fill in the blank. Backs, blank. Correct. What is the meaning of Billy?
A. एक छोटा पालतू जानवर जो म्याऊं करता है.
Correct.
Fill in the blank. _ बगीचे में दौड़ रहा है.
A. Correct. What is the meaning of Anda?
A.
Correct. Spell the word correctly for the meaning. Lala yaher ranga ka gola fala. Correct. Spell the word correctly for the meaning. Bonkain vala palatu janavara. Correct. Spell the word correctly for the meaning. Kelam mem istamala hone valley gola vastu. Correct. Spell the word correctly for the meaning. Paksayam devaradia jain vala andakara kadya padartha. Correct. Spell the word correctly for the meaning. Ikad chota palatu janavara jo mayam karata hai. Correct. Welcome to the dictionary section. Tap any word to hear its meaning and example.
कूदना. मीनिंग जमीन से ऊपर उछलना. एग्जाम्पल बच्चे ट्रैम्पोलिन पर कूद रहे हैं. टोपी. मीनिंग सिर पर पहनने की चीज. एग्जाम्पल उसने नीली टोपी पहनी है.
You have learned these words. Anda. Welcome to conversation practice. Today's situation.
टैक्सी यात्रा.
Drevera. Subasan. Choose sentence length. Tap to hear pronunciation. Tap to start speaking practice. Proceed when you get 100% score. Press the microphone button to practice speaking. Welcome to speaking practice. Now your phrase is Suprabhata. Perfect. You said it exactly right. Now your next phrase is Namaste. Perfect. You said it exactly right. Choose sentence. Welcome to speaking practice. Now your phrase is Main. Perfect. You said it exactly right. Now your next phrase is
उसे शाम को उपन्यास पढ़ना पसंद है.
Perfect. You said it exactly right. Now your next phrase is
हम कर